Good morning. Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. Today we're talking bikes on the RV. So you remember we put the rack on in the other video. You saw how that went. We got the bikes loaded up, we lock them down, cover them, because boy, if it rains and you're on the highway, it's going to be so dirty. Plus people won't get to see what you got that way too. You don't need people messing with stuff. And then the other thing we bought is we bought one of these travel nets, cargo nets that's bungee, to cover it after that. Just our reasoning being, we don't want it to be doing this and flapping in the wind. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. Check this out. So as we go to get our bikes ready for travel, here's what we bought. We bought this cover. It's for 2 bikes, and once we get the bikes in the rack, we're going to cover them. We bought this item, and that's basically to put over the cover so it doesn't flap. We also bought a lock that we can use to lock the 2 bikes to the rack. Bike number 1. There. All right, we're gonna have to put our other bike on here. Bikes are up, easy as pie. Now for the lock, we'll figure out how we're going to lock this. The idea was to go through both bike frames and this. See if we can lock it in better. Be nice if we could go through under here, but I don't think we got enough cable for that. No, definitely not. Definitely need another cable if we're going to run that through. Next item, the cover. Came in a nice resealable bag. That's kind of cool. And looks like this has its own carry bag. We can take this out. There's the cover. Oh, looks like it'll fit pretty easy on there. At this point, I'm starting to think maybe we would have been okay with the large instead of the extra large. But it says 2 bikes extra large. Maybe they weren't thinking the bikes would be parked this close together. I don't know. But 2 bikes, depends on your bike what you can get. You can snug these up a little. So, next step, rip open bag on this one. This might be a bloody mess. I don't know how you actually get this stuff to work properly, but it's a cargo net, and boy, the hooks are hooked on everything here. Maybe we could just hope you enjoyed the My Two Good Hands video on covering your bikes behind the RV. If you did this on a car, we're going to show you you're going to have some other issues that we don't have because we're a motorhome. But take a look at it. Let's take you a walk around. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Well, there it is. You can see it's pretty tight. Got a lot of extra. The cargo net fit well. The real beauty here is when you're way behind the vehicle here, you can see both of my tail lights. You can see my signals and everything. Nothing's blocked. Had this been on an automobile that's narrower, I think I'd have a problem blocking the lights with this cover. I think I'd have to just use the rack without the cover. Or if I was going to put the cover, I better have some auxiliary lights I can mount on the vehicle to be legal on the road. But hey, there it is. Don't forget, like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. More videos, camping, RV work, Jeeps, you name it, we do it. If there's something you'd like to see, let us know. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.